Guys, I want to show you guys something. As you guys can see, this is my clipper, and I want to open it to show you guys how dirty hair is inside, tucked inside. So as a professional barber, you need to have screwdrivers, so that you can open your clipper to service it yourself. It's not everything that you need to go to someone. As a professional barber, you need to learn it. So as you guys can see, I've already screwed the bolt. Let's remove it and see what is inside. I always advise you guys that as a professional barber, you need to know how to open your clipper so that you can service it for the good of the work. Understand? So as you guys can see, it's been like 1 week or so I haven't opened it, so I want to open it for you guys to see how it is. So as you guys can see, very dirty. No, it's not dirty, but it's hair that tuck in. So because of this, the clipper will not able to pull fine. As you guys can see, very, 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 very dirty hair stuck inside, and because of that, the sound of the clipper change, and how sharp the clipper can cut is also change. So with this problem, as a professional barber, always screw your clippers, open it, clean it before. So this is what I'm going to do, as you guys can see. So I'll just use this brush to brush the hair out like this, and then I use tissue. I'll use tissue like this, put it inside and clean it very nice, very nice like this, then I remove this one too. You see, as you guys can see, very dirty, as you guys can see. So this one too, I'll use this brush to remove all the hair and everything like this. So after that, I do the same. I'll just use the clipper, the tissue, to clean that one too. So as a professional barber, you need to know how to fix your clipper. It's very, very important. These are some of the tricks that in handling your clippers, that some people are complaining that my clipper cannot cut, my clipper is like this and like that, and as you guys can see, very dirty inside. So I want to remove everything, everything live, so you guys should watch out. So these are some of the reasons why our clippers cannot pull well. Hair stuck inside. Because of the hair, the clipper cannot pull well. As you guys can see, there is one hair that tuck inside, so you need to always make sure that you are taking good care of your clippers. It's very, very important. Once you are taking good care of it, the clipper is going to last for long. But if you are not taking care of it, this clipper is almost 3 years now, and it's still pulling, because I keep it clean always. And let me tell you guys one secret here. There's one secret here. You see the inside. Always put some small foam to prevent the hair to enter inside, as you guys can see. So this one is old, so I have to put new one in. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'll just cut it like this, then I put it inside, then I push it inside, very simple, as you guys can see, so that you prevent the hair to enter inside where the engine is. So you put it like this, then you put this one on top like this, you see. Then you put a bolt back, you put it back here, then you tighten it a little bit, just tighten it a little bit, then you tighten here a little bit, sorry, I'm rushing, so let me relax and do that thing. I just want to. So this one too, put it, then you tighten it a little bit like this, you see, then you turn it like this, then you make the settings, you know, you see, grab it like this, make sure you set it to 0 gap, you know, grab it like this, push it to 0 gap like this, then make sure you set it well, make sure you see the inner blade and the outer blade, one is bigger than one, so make sure it matches each other. It's very, very important. Then now you tighten it at the back here, tight here, don't tighten one straight away, you tight here, you tight here, you tight here, you tight here, so until you make sure that you get it right. So as you guys can see, you know, so I'm getting it right, you know, squeeze it hard, then now you tight it like this, like this my screwdriver is falling, then you tight it like this, tight it like this. So as you guys can see, the sound has changed. So then you just apply oil to it. I always tell you guys that always apply oil to your clipper. It's very, very important. You see, the sound is now okay. The battery is 98%, so it's okay. You see, so let me show you guys something. You can see all is the same. This is Chemi trimmer, but you can see the sound is different. So I want to open this one and make the settings too. So this one too, I'll just open it like this. This one I opened it just 3 days ago, so I don't think there will be some dirty inside, but I have to reopen it. Yeah, you can see this one is very clean. So I want to do the settings well. So this one too, make sure you remove all the hair out of it, very nice way. As you guys can see, the way I'm doing it, very gentle. Every barber should know how to, you know, fix your clipper. It's very, very important. You know, we have some clippers, you can use it for, like, let's say more than 1 year, 2, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, even 10 years, depending on how you handle it. It's very, very important, you know. Very, very important. So as you guys can see, so this one too, I'm gonna fix it. So I've cleaned this one, then I put it first like this. See, there is a rubber that lock it here, as you guys can see. So you put it there, then you lock it. Even if you lock it there, you can shake it, it will not fall. You understand? Then you put this one on top, the same way you did the other one. You put the screwdriver, the screw in like this, then you screw it. Then you screw it a little bit, then you turn it like this, you know. So I forgot to cut the foam and put it inside. Let me put it before I lock it. The foam is very, very important, you know. Not too big, just then this one too, you make the settings to 0 gap like this. And you tighten it a little bit like this. Make the settings, tight it. Then you make the settings and you tight it. Then you make the settings to 0 gap. Then you tight it back. Then you tight it back. You know. You see? Very simple. So this one too, you apply oil to it like this. You can see now all the clippers is set, you know, set. The same clipper, chemi trimmer, but this one is just 6 months old and this one is 2 years getting to 3 years old, this one. So that's it. So I'm done. You know, this one too, I have to set it to 0 fade. I have to set it. This one too, I have to set it to 0 fade, but this one maybe I'll see later. This one maybe later that I'll do that. See, I'll set it to 0 fade, 0 gap, so that I can use it to cut. See, this one is still powerful. You see, so that's it. So I'm done. This is your tip master from West Africa, Ghana. I always tell you guys that this is your #1 hairstylist from West Africa. I post this across all social media platforms. You can decide to follow me on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. You understand? Fresh VGA. Just type. It's YouTube that you get it fresh. If you check my bio, all the links are there. You can decide to join. If you want long videos, you join my YouTube channel. If you want short videos, you join my Facebook page. If you want pictures and videos, short videos, you join my Instagram. You understand? So this is your tip master from West Africa, Ghana. This page is for touching. You understand? Anything about barbering. So I advise beginners barbers to follow a page like this, because the kind of content I create here, you will not get it anywhere. You understand? So make sure you stay connected. You are learning something. This is your tip master. Thank you for watching this video.